Hello, Parkside homeowners. I have something special to show you today. So, if I pan around here and zoom in, you can see some of those turquoise plumbing laterals right up there. I can't zoom any further, I'm sorry. But that is the Woodyard Road side of Section 5. What you can clearly see here is that there's been clearing. I'm assuming this is the road because it's in direct line up to the stormwater structures that are in place up there. And so, as a point of reference, there's this really old barn here. You know, I hadn't even noticed it before. And then look behind me. This road comes down. I just hiked up it. So it cuts back. If any of you have driven back here to where the little creek is. And so I don't want to bore you with my little hike here. But if I can, I'm gonna see if I could learn how to put a few videos together. But down here, this road comes out and around that bend there, and I'll catch up with you in a minute.